This song explains what happens when we go to the grocery store. We get in the car, we take a ride, we park the car right outside. The store has lights, they can feel bright. The store has sounds, that's okay too. We walk inside, the doors slide wide, carts roll past, people walk by. We're going to the grocery store, one step at a time. We can stay, we can pause, we can leave, that's fine. We're going to the grocery store, nothing here is a surprise. If your body says too much now, we can leave, that's fine. Ooh. We can leave, that's fine. We can leave, that's fine. What we do inside, we look at food, we choose a few. Goldfish, pasta, things we like too. There may be smells, there may be noise, there may be music or someone's voice. We can try 5 minutes here, then we decide what feels right. We went to the grocery store, that took a lot of care. Even trying counts today, your effort matters here. We went to the grocery store, now it's time to rest. Your body worked, your brain worked too, you did your best. Now the trip is done, we can rest now.